What's up, guys? We got another 7-Eleven video today. With these, Connor's actually in it today, you can see him. With these things. They are sweet Sriracha chicken bites on a kebab. Like, look at that thing. This smells so good. I don't know how I'm gonna eat these either.
A little different today, huh?
Yeah. So, every 7-Eleven does different stuff. Like, I've had, like, actual chicken kebabs where they were cooked on the kebab. I've had wings, all kinds of stuff. This is, like, this guy's stuff. So... And the best part, it only cost me $6 for 2 of these. So we'll get in here and try it. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
It's good.
Is it spicy?
A little bit.
A little
Spicier than the wings the other day.
bit? Spicier?
Mm-hmm.
The wings the other day didn't really have much of a kick, huh?
No, like nothing. These are really sweet though too. Wanna try one?
Sure. Oh yeah.
Right? There's more heat in it for sure, but it's still sweet.
That's good right there.
Mm-hmm. Like, that's impressive for $6, dude.
That's good stuff. It's like caramelized almost.
Mm-hmm. Pull that guy off there so you can actually see it. A little cross section. Yeah, it's got a good little crusty exterior to it. I'm impressed for $6.
I like the sweet heat.
Mm-hmm.
You get the first part sweet, and you get the spice at the end.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it doesn't like come in all of a sudden and be like, oh god, that's hot. It's like builds up to it. Sweet and then spicy. And that price point's fucking insane. It's a lot of chicken for $6.
It is.
What'd you get? Some tornado things?
Some like taquitos. Pretty good. Classical 7-Eleven.
Can't go wrong with them. They're pretty good. And they're
Yeah.
cheap. You get pretty full for $3 or $4 though too.
Yeah, you got 3 of them for $3.
Sorry, this video's gonna be a little shorter. Not much really to tell you about. I mean,
What are you rating them? Out of like boneless chicken.
in general for boneless chicken, I'm putting like a 7.
That's good.
It's pretty good.
I'd probably give them a 7 too.
Better than a
Buffalo.
chicken nugget.
Buffalo Wild Wings is nothing on those.
No, not at all. These are good. You get a lot of food with it too.
Mm-hmm.
I like their caramelized. It's pretty bad. But yeah, definitely better than your average chicken nugget or boneless wing. Texture's like real chicken. It doesn't feel like you're eating fucking McDonald's mush with some crust on it. Dude, this one's way heavier.
That's like a pound right there.
Yeah, this is a lot of chicken, dude. Look at that. Give you a little size comparison. I don't know what the fuck I was trying to say there. Comparison. Dude, look at this thing. Hold on. Look at that thing, dude. That's a Chevy Cruze. Brother. With no exhaust. Well, that's a parking spot. He just parked it and got out. What the fuck? But yeah, here's this guy. Beautiful little piece of chicken. Yeah. She's real good. Alright guys, well, that's going to end this one. Sorry for the shorter video. This is making up for yesterday not doing one. Go ahead and hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. I'm going to make sure I put them in this time because I haven't put them in any of the videos so far. But yeah, have a good one.